Hi everyone and welcome back to the Best Reviews channel. Today we shine the spotlight on Veed, a browser-based AI video editing platform designed to provide content creators with all the tools they need to produce high-quality videos. It includes an intuitive interface, standard editing tools, and cutting-edge AI features like automatic subtitle generation, text-to-video transformation, translation, and audio transcription. Plus, it offers a free version. Follow along as we uncover how Veed can simplify video editing and delve into its features, pricing, and promotions. For an in-depth look into the platform, check out our written review at bestreviews.net, linked in the description box below. Without further ado, let's hear what Saskia has to say about Veed.
Veed started in London in 2019 and has been expanding its video editing capabilities ever since. After signing up, users are met with a passwordless login system where they must click on the token login link sent via email to access the platform. Right from the start, the platform's clean interface caught our attention. It's intuitive and responsive, making it suitable for both beginners and professionals. In addition to essential tools for video editing like cutting and trimming, it integrates robust AI-powered features to enhance user creativity and efficiency. These include background removal, audio cleaning, and eye contact correction. Plus, its custom templates, teleprompter, and other tools simplify content creation. It provides an iOS mobile app primarily designed to add video captions and is most suitable for social media content. Veed's online version is mobile optimized and can be accessed on your smartphone without needing the mobile app, but it doesn't perform as well as on a computer. The most outstanding editing features offered by Veed are those powered by AI, such as the text-to-video feature, which transforms a prompt into a captivating video, including footage, music, and a voiceover. This lets users unleash their creativity and effortlessly turn their ideas into reality. Another impressive AI tool is the eye contact corrector. Its eye-tracking technology improves screen presence, ensuring the speaker makes consistent direct eye contact with the camera. This is a game-changer for any video featuring a person speaking on camera, fostering a stronger connection with audiences and enhancing the overall viewing experience. Veed's Magic Cut tool streamlines the editing process by automatically selecting the best takes, removing pauses, and eliminating filler words. With this tool, users polish up their videos in a fraction of the time. An AI background remover is also available, making it easy to replace backgrounds with images, colours, or videos. Video content creators or editors who deal with translations and voiceovers can find invaluable tools for high-quality translations and realistic AI voiceovers. Veed includes voice dubbing and automatic subtitles available in over 100 languages, such as Spanish, Ukrainian, and French. To reduce the need for third-party software, Veed also provides an audio editor and teleprompter. While the audio editor lets you quickly refine the audio quality, the teleprompter allows for a smooth script reading while recording, which can then be fine-tuned with the eye contact corrector. We recommend that editors prioritize Veed's stock footage over uploading footage, when possible, to address any buffering issues. However, this problem doesn't always happen and depends on the size of the clip being uploaded. Individual creators can use Veed with one of its three plans: Free, Basic, and Pro. Although the free plan has limited features, it can be used forever, making it an excellent choice for first contact with this AI video editor. Each paid subscription upgrades the features of the previous plan and reveals a host of new ones. For instance, while Basic restricts videos to 25 minutes and doesn't include eye contact correction, Pro does and extends the video duration limit to 2 hours. Refunds are available within a 14-day window, but users must refrain from using the platform in any way during this period to be eligible for it. On a side note, Veed has subscriptions for businesses that include even more features like 4K exports and designated account managers. Veed is an AI-driven platform, so it's no wonder that its customer support also uses this technology with its intelligent chatbot. While free users are limited to this, paying customers also get live chat support. Veed provides email support, and we received a clear and friendly reply within the hour. While it doesn't include a phone line for direct contact, there are a multitude of easy-to-access resources such as FAQs, webinars, articles on getting started, and video tutorials. Although Veed is active on X, Instagram, and TikTok, we recommend users get in touch through its official support channels.
Thanks, Saskia. Content creators and editors looking to speed up their video editing should check out Veed. It deserves high praise primarily for its plethora of AI tools such as text-to-video transformation, eye contact correction, background remover, automatic translations in over 100 languages, and voice dubbing. It provides a handy audio editor and teleprompter, and the platform is intuitive and easy to navigate, even for beginners. However, its iOS-exclusive mobile app and potential buffering issues with uploading footage could be improved. Despite this, we still consider Veed an excellent choice in video editing that's best suited for social media content creators. To learn more about Veed and its latest offerings, check out our detailed review linked below. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time.
Thanks for watching our video review. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and leave us a comment down below if you have any questions. For more reviews and other videos, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you'll be notified of future videos. See you next time!